Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of Indian snacks with a classic favorite, homemade samosas. These crispy and flavorful delights are easier to make than you might think. So, let's get ready for a delicious journey. Before we start, let's take a look at the ingredients. For samosa filling: potatoes, boiled and mashed; peas, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, finely chopped, garam masala, coriander powder, Amchur, dried mango powder, chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste. For samosa dough: all-purpose flour, Ajwain, carom seeds, salt, water. For kneading. Now, let's jump into the cooking process. Follow along for a step-by-step guide. Prepare the filling. In a pan, heat oil and add cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Add ginger garlic paste, green chilies, and sauté until fragrant. Add peas, mashed potatoes, and our spice mix: garam masala, coriander powder, amchur, and salt. Mix well, add fresh coriander leaves, and our flavorful filling is ready. Make the dough. In a bowl, mix all-purpose flour, ajwain, and salt. Gradually add water and knead into a smooth, firm dough. Shape the samosas. Divide the dough into small balls and roll them out into oval shapes. Cut each oval in half to create 2 semicircles. Assemble and fry. Fold the semicircle to form a cone, sealing the edges with water. Fill the cone with our delicious potato pea filling. Seal the top to form a triangle. Fry until golden. Heat oil for frying, and gently slide in the samosas. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, our easy homemade samosas, golden and ready to be devoured. I hope you enjoyed making these samosas with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to cook next. Happy cooking!